Hello everyone, this is Yashwini from Manapeta. Basically, I'm from Vizag. I studied my BTech in Vizag from Gayatri Vidyapashad College of Engineering. Throughout my academics, I got 7 point CGPA. No placements in our college. So I'm going on searching for the best platform which gives me good skills and good knowledge about the Python and all. So I have searching on the Google and all. Then I found a platform called Vcube Software Solutions, which is the best platform for our learning skills. And our Python trainer Srinivasa teaches very well. He conducts mock interviews and all to boost up our knowledge and to gain better experience of interviews. He gives us best knowledge about the all Python full stack development. He clears all doubts to the students. He tells us more efficiently, and our institute conducts weekly tests and soft skill sessions to improve our soft skills. And I all suggest you to join in the Vcube to choose a better path, better career, and better opportunities. Thank you.